welcome back to my channel and Tuts. Let's talk about what is container. Containers are the most basic layout element in Bootstrap. Containers are responsive. Containers provide a means to center and horizontally pad your site contents. While containers can be nested, here you can see the image of Bootstrap container. Types of containers. There are two types of containers. First one, fixed width container, and second one, fluid width container. Let's see the difference between them and when to use. Let's talk about what is fixed width container. Use dot container for a responsive pixel width. It means its max width change at each breakpoint. Here you can see the image of fixed width container. Let's see the demo of fixed width container example. To open Visual Studio Code, first of all, to create a new HTML file, here use the same starter template code. I have already set up the starter template code in my HTML file fix.html. In body tag to write your code, div class equals to container, fix with container which is set using the container class, div class equals to row, row must be placed within a fixed width container for proper alignment and padding. Row and grid system I will explain in my upcoming tutorials. Image tag, in image tag set the image path which you want to display on the output screen. Also set the image width and height. Then after to save the file, let's run the code. This is the output screen. We do not need multiple device or multiple screen to test the website responsiveness. So we can directly check using Chrome Developer Tool. Let's check containers responsiveness with each breakpoint of Bootstrap fixed width container. Now open Chrome Developer Tool. For there is two way you can do it. First way is through inspect element. For that, right click inside the Chrome browser and you will find the last option, inspect element, and click on it. It will open new window inside Chrome browser, that is our Chrome Developer Tool. If you don't want to follow this all step, then you use shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Another shortcut is F12 that directly open Chrome Developer Tool. Click on Toggle Device toolbar. You will see this kind of screen. Currently you are seeing extra large screen size, means it's 1330 pixel. We will look screen size resolution into it in Bootstrap grid path tutorials. Let's start resizing the container width. First breakpoint is 1175 pixel, its large device size. Then again reduce the screen size, and we got second breakpoint is 991 pixel, its medium device. Then again reduce the screen size, and we got third breakpoint is 761 pixel, its small device size. Every time to reduce screen size, then you got a new breakpoint, and you can see the responsiveness of the containers. Let's talk about what is fluid with container. It means it's 100% wide all the time. Here you can see the image of fluid with container. Use dot container fluid for a full width container 100% width. It's spanning the entire width of the viewport and device size. With fluid layout, you specify size not in pixel but in percentage, meaning if the screen of the element will stay the same. It is very flexible layout than fixed width layout. Let's see the demo of fluid width container example. To repeat all the steps like fixed width container program, let's start writing the code. Fluid width container, which is set using the container fluid class. Then after save the file, let's run the code. This is the output screen.